The opening of a yarning circle is an important process. Make sure all participants are seated in the circle and comfortable. The opening will be led by the facilitator as follows. 1. Welcome to participants. An acknowledgement of individuals. There also can be a blessing as appropriate. 2. Outline the matter to be discussed within the yarning circle. 3. Explanation of protocols, namely, one person speaks at a time, respectful and active listening is required, all participants are equal within the circle, and there is no hierarchy. 4. Participants are asked to introduce themselves and share something about themselves. This should relate to directly or indirectly to the topic. 5. The facilitator encourages participants to take turns to talk, which may involve posing a question to an individual or the group. 6. Any actions or issues identified by the yarning circle can be noted and brought to a future yarning circle. It is important to note that a yarning circle can be discussion only, or materials such as butcher's paper and pens can be provided so that participants can write or draw their thoughts after each person shares their thoughts and stories. It also is imperative that the facilitator be an integral part of the discussion, not just an onlooker or referee. This would upset the balance of the yarning circle.